time do you spend drafting personalized reference letters during peak application cycles? Try building a structured reference letter workflow using Gemini to synthesize student achievements into high-quality drafts while maintaining professional standards. Imagine a scenario where you need to write a tailored recommendation for a student applying to a highly competitive postgraduate teaching program. In Gemini, select Canvas and either upload or add from Drive the files needed to help write the reference. Then enter this prompt. Act as an academic advisor. Based on the attached rubric, student achievements, and program requirements, draft a formal recommendation letter highlighting evidence of leadership and academic rigor. Gemini instantly opens a side-by-side Canvas workspace, automatically generating a beautifully formatted draft that you can edit and refine directly on screen. To extend this idea, try modifying specific sections of your text live. Simply highlight your closing paragraph and in the floating Ask Gemini box, type, "Make this sound more enthusiastic." Canvas rewrites the selected text instantly, infusing your draft with an energetic tone while keeping your specific student milestones perfectly intact. This reference letter workflow models systematic, data-driven drafting for students while preserving your essential role in final curation and ethical oversight. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.